Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Norazmi bin Fadilah. Together with my colleague, Dr. Noliza binti Muhammad, we are from Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah under the Civil Engineering Department, and we will present our research paper. The title of our research paper are Student Readiness, Expectancy and Acceptance of Augmented Reality (AR) in Building Works Measurement for the element of PET Foundation. Okay, for the content of our outline, start with introduction, problem statement, objective, scope of the study, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, and finally, references. For the introduction, citation by Imirolu and Kirk 2018, with the advancement and innovation of information and communication technologies, particularly mobile device, the use of technology indication has quickly become the norm in the last decade. According to Souza, Shirazi and Behzadan, the best use of technology for teaching and learning is when it combines traditional elements of the classroom setting with technology benefits. And according to Kadavisco, Golu and Costells, students can benefit from the availability of information and educational resources at their fingertips thanks to the adoption of technology in teaching and learning, particularly mobile devices. Other than that, this study aims to assess the readiness, expectancy and acceptance of students towards a new technology based on augmented reality (AR) technology in building works measurement for the element of PET Foundation. It is to support the prospect of a more engaging learning experience in building works measurement courses for diploma in quantity surveying programs at Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah. For the problem statements, augmented reality (AR) has the potential to improve the teaching and learning experience in construction technology, which entails learning construction processes and comprehending construction elements. However, before implementing a new approach to teaching, the students' readiness to use AR must be determined. This also pertains to what students expect when using AR in learning, how they accept AR in learning, and the effectiveness of using AR in learning. The objective of the study, first, to identify the readiness of students on using AR for building works measurement for the element of PET Foundation. Second, to identify the students' expectancy when using AR for building works measurement for the elements of PET Foundation. And third, to identify the students' acceptance of using AR for building works measurement for the element of PET Foundation. For the scope of the study, based on the subject DCQ 10043 building works measurement, especially for the diploma in quantity surveying student, and the content focuses on the element of PET Foundation in a building. The building works measurement courses was used as the subject of this study. The study site area at Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah, PISAS, and the students of Diploma in Quantity Surveying for Semester 1, Semester 2, and Semester 3. For the literature reviews, there are two parts. One is on augmented reality in quantity surveying, and second, student readiness, student expectancy, and student acceptance. Okay. Augmented reality or mixed reality is defined as the use of computer-generated graphic or 3D models to superimpose artificial or virtual effects on the real world. Quote by the Lilo, Ismail Bendi, and Mars. According to Milgren, AR is a mixed reality that adds graphic elements to the real world. According to Imirulu and Kirk, augmented reality differs from virtual reality in that it creates a virtual environment for user. AR can help user better understand the knowledge and functionally deliver true content by using computer-generated visualization. Other than that, quote by Imirulu and Kirk, augmented reality differs from virtual reality in that it creates a virtual environment for user. AR can help user better understand the knowledge and functionality delivered through content by using computer-generated visualization. Okay, AR technologies, due to their onboard global positioning system GPS sensor, internet access, display panel and camera. AR will be integrated into an application that can be accessed via a smartphone. This one is according to Bauer, McNee and Chazis and Behdan. Okay. The use of augmented reality in the education has gained traction among the Z generation because it is easily accessible via mobile devices, which are available to most Z generation students. AR ability to visualize its student creativity and understanding of the courses. Okay, in quantitative surveying, one of the construction project team advisor, the main source of information exchange in the construction industry is largely made through construction drawing, which are still in the form of 2D drawings. Okay, the effort is insufficient because construction technology courses, like other quantitative surveying courses, frequently use outdated method of teaching and learning. Students can better understand, visualize and integrate 2D drawings with the use of augmented reality in construction technology courses. Okay, for student readiness, okay, according to Mahat, before implementing a new method of technology in learning, readiness is an important factor in determining whether a technology will be successful. Students should have proactivity to embrace and use technology as part of their learning process. Okay, for student expectancy, according to Chen, the act of or state of looking forward or anticipating is defined as expectation. Investigated student technological expectancy towards e-learning system using the expectancy value theory to conclude that a student behavioral intention is influenced by their technology expectancy and educational compatibility. For student acceptance, according to Davis, acceptance is frequently linked to the intention and behavior of potential technology users. Acceptance will refer to the rate of students' acceptance of using AR technology in learning and continuing to use AR as part of their learning process. For the methodology, this study is a descriptive study using a quantitative method. Descriptive is writing to describe a situation systematically and factually accurately based on Abdul Ghaffar. First, the respondent of this study are 63 students from Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah, PISAS, in the Department of Civil Engineering under the Diploma in Quantity Surveying. Respondents were consisting of Semester 1, Semester 2 and Semester 3 students. The instrument of this study consists of a set of questionnaires. This set of questionnaires is divided into two different sets. The student answer a set of questionnaires consisting of Part A, demographic, and Part B, student readiness, student expectancy and student acceptance. Each of the questionnaire items were evaluated using 5-point Likert scale, from 1 indicate strongly disagree and 5 indicate strongly agree. Data were analyzed using the statistical package of the social science SPSS software version 16.0. Under the result and discussion, Objective 1, to identify the readiness of students on using AR for building work measurement for the element of PEP foundation. Based on the data collected with the questionnaire, the students' level is above average. Majority of the students are equipped and have the required tools use mobile AR for the element of PEP foundation. Most students answer that they have internet access on their smartphones, which can access by their smartphones. This indicates that students are ready and the applicability of using mobile devices for learning purpose for the element of PEP foundation. For the Objective 2, to identify the students' expectancy when using AR for building work measurement for the element of PEP foundation. For the student expectancy of using AR in the mobile, the focus are on the potential of AR in learning for the element of PEP foundation. Based on finding, it can be seen that the students are positively expectant using the AR in learning for the elements of PEP foundation. The highest score means show that students believe the curriculum will be improved when using AR in learning. The lowest score will be the capable of student of using AR in learning. For the Objective number 3, to identify the students' acceptance of using AR for building work measurement for the element of PEP foundation, the set of questions addresses the behavior of the students regarding accepting the usage of mobile AR in learning. This shows that the student already acknowledge and are attracted to mobile AR for the element of PET foundation. Based on table, the highest mean score from the set of questions is SA8. Students can understand sequentially construction process better using AR, which means that AR can help students to improve better visualize of the construction process, such as PET foundation. As for conclusion, the findings suggest that augmented reality AR technology could improve quantity surveying students' understanding of construction technology courses. Although it is difficult to visualize the construction process and foundation structure, students can use AR technology to illustrate and visualize it. More research efforts have to be conducted to simplify the integration of AR and the content. Understanding and visualizing construction elements is essential for quantity surveying students in order to better prepare for the industry. As a result, incorporating augmented reality into the teaching and learning process of quantity surveying students, the construction technology courses can be improved. Appendix on the example of augmented reality PET foundation. Few of references for our research paper. And that's all from our team. We hope that with this presentation we will give you a bit of information and knowledge, and hopefully you all enjoy it with our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.